Hello, dear Yu-Gi-Oh community, and welcome back to another opening on Sarasu TCG. This is a very, I hope so, a very exciting opening. We are opening the newest released set, the Grand Creators, released in Germany in 27th of January. Again, I bought some packs from a local store, 12 packs in total. 7 cards per pack, and it's guaranteed that is one full card in every pack. And we got some nice reprints here. The Sonnen Strike and the Torrential Tribute are also in here in collector's rares. That would be pretty amazing if we can pull one of these. There's also a pretty good one, Castel. I play this a lot in the extra deck. SiCaTra, Yugioh Punk, Sarasu, and Out der Wiederbelebung for the new archetype, which I have absolutely no clue what this is about. But yeah. In the new game, I'm not very good at the moment. Dracobek, der Reitdrachen. Immer der Beteiligung Nyan Nyan. Gagaku-Punk, wildes Zupfen, reißender Tribut. Sehr schön, das ist immer eine gut gern gesehene Karte. Oops, that was German. And I wanted to say this is always a nice card to be seen in any deck. Oh, that's a long name. Yugioh Punk, aufsteigender Karpfen. Fisch. Great Fish, Reisbell, der Sternenjustierer und Gagaku-Punk, Wagon. Okay, super rare. Der Wagon. I have to be careful. Sometimes I'm switching back to English, to German. What the fuck? I'm confused now with all these languages. Insektor Marienkäfer. Okay. Gagaku-Punk, krachender Beat, versteckte Waffenkammer, Insektor Extrakäfer, wasn't that also in... Where was that? Brothers of a Legend? No. Or was it? I don't know, but I pulled this before. Geschwisterbund was also released in King's Court. Thick. Yoruri-Punk, Nashivari-Überraschung, and Exo-Schwester Elis. Also new archetype, these Exo Sisters, maybe is the correct English translation. Exo Sisters, is this? I don't know. Viertleser. Reisbell, der Sternenjustierer. Insektor Marienkäfer, Donnerentladung. Yugioh Punk, Sarasu, Insektor Hundertfüßler, and Exo-Schwester Asufi. With a great bow. 2 monsters of level 4. Something with special summon. As far as I could see in the quick read through. But something with special summon is not very special nowadays. Back in the day, a special summon was special. Yugioh Punk, aufsteigender Kampf von Exo-Schwester Caspitel. Dracobek, der Reitdrachen, Insekt Exa Hirschkäfer, versteckte Waffenkammer, Psi-Radraser and Sektschlag Ko-O. Ko-O oder K-O? Okay, our first ultra rare. Again, something with these Insector monsters. Is this a thing? These Insector monsters? I don't know. Giant Germ, that's the way to go. Giant Germ and Lava Golem. Instant win, every time. Reisbell, der Sternenjustierer. Gukipo. Oh Gott, Walz der verschwundenen Blumen. Feierlicher Schlag. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, very nice. Would be even more nice as collector. Exo-Schwester Caspitel, Dunnel, der edle Waffe des Lichts, and Exo-Schwester Gidrine. the assault rifle thing, the infinity sign. I did stop counting, I don't know which pick we are now, but something in the middle. Insektorschwert, SiCaTra, Goki-Pulver, Insektor-Echse, Hirschkäfer, Psi-Fettleser, Insektor-Grashüpfer, Hime der Betuelle, Nyan, and No-Punk C-Amin. Okay. Don't know what I should think about this one. I do not get paid for thinking. At least I actually, no way I get paid. In any way. Mehr. Gagaku-Punk, wildes Zupfen, Ukiyo-Punk, aufsteigender Kopf, SiCaTra, versteckte Waffenkammer, Insektenimitation. This is a very old card. This is from Pharaoh's Servant. It was a common in Pharaoh's Servant. I guess so. Yeah. Torrential Tribute, very nice. Exo Schwester Gabrina. Again our Infinity Rifle. The Infinity Rifle. Could be a new name for some kind of upcoming game, the Infinity Rifle. Sternlicht, Papillon, Exo-Schwester Irene, Geschwisterhund, Castell, very nice. Torrential Tribute, also very nice. Exo-Schwester Caspitel and Gagaku-Punk Wagon. The Wagon again. Wagon again. 3 packs left. And Torrential Tribute. Insektorschwert, SiCaTra. Goki-Pole. No. Sternlicht, Papillon. I lose the ability even to speak German. Insektor-Echse, Psi-Fettleser, and No-Punk Ogatons. Also ultra rare. I didn't see it first. No-Punk Ogatons. Level 8. And as strong as the Dark Magician. Okay. I take it. I take all the foils. No problem. Foils all my friends. Oh Gott. Zaralam or Zaralaam, der dunkle Palast. Okay. Insektor Exoketer. Tunnel, edle Waffe des Lichts. Ukiyo-Punk Sharakusei. Sternlicht Papillon. Insektorschwert SiCaLibur and XYZ Universe. Maybe not so bad, actually, the effect of this card. Last pack, last chance to get. This was probably my fault. Not so bad. Ukiyo-Punk, aufsteigender Kopf, der Giant Fisher, Insektor, Hime der virtuelle Dracopic der Eintragung, Sternlicht, Papillon, Exo-Schwester Irene and Magie als Krieger der Relikte. Oh, he got a giant X. Absolutely. 2,300 attack points for 4 stars. Okay, cannot attack if you do not control one of these Abenteuerspielen. Okay, well then. It's legal. I guess so. Okay. Quick walk through the Grand Creators booster packs. Sadly no collector's rare, but maybe I'm gonna open some more in the future. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, thank you very much for watching, and until next time, have a good time. Goodbye.